Wow. This is your left ventricle, your body's power pump, pushing blood 100,000 times a day.
Here's one of 4 valves, perfectly timed doors that keep you alive. Arteries are your high-speed highways, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Hitching a ride? Oxygen, carried everywhere by red blood cells like this one.
Plaque squeezes the lumen. Think traffic jam for your blood. Move more, eat plants, don't smoke. Your arteries love that. Oxygen out, carbon dioxide in. Nature's neat little trade. Veins haul it back to base. Valves help keep the flow on track. Lungs load oxygen while the heart moves it, teammates in every breath.
Every heartbeat is a chance to choose better. Like this tour? Subscribe to MedHeads for more short health adventures.